the threat to the beautiful and adored Mother Nature, and one that is a major crisis, which is the dirt piles situated in heaps in places and to the point of creating severe, heavy, mind-burdening, which was never a foreseen threat.
The collapse of the dam also damaged all.
In the year of 2017, the crisis that lay in Meethotamulla, of the huge heap collected of dirt that critics of various taught the very us a lesson, and thereof wouldn't it be a matter of research and sorting an immediate solution, and to Tirasara be handed over? With methods changed and introduced, Bank of Ceylon, in collaboration with the most powerful generation in the country, students of schools, hand in hand, together, worked a solution only to discover success was the ultimate resulting in the creation of it. Sri Lanka's established Tirasara Association and its target with BOC in aim under Act 11 to create a Tirasara founded town to many rightful benefits to society, and under Act 12 a Tirasara creation of environmental friendly and productive country with a certification that commenced successfully in the Western Province with the selective reason of best support from schools from the area. The main goal in the management, and which was such 100% exacted and coordinated project alongside us, the main key player supportive throughout it.
Under the Bank of Ceylon's Sustainable Development Plan, a number of projects are already underway. Accordingly, we have decided to implement 3 pilot projects for waste management.
The Western Province, that included 3 main government schools, and in the region of Minuangoda, namely President's College, Dharmaluka College of Kalaniya, and St. Anne's Convent of Wattala, were selected teams to support in this management of wear and tear and waste materials. The schools each combined as a team and began to collectively clear all the dried leaves in the surrounding, initially as a symbol of sincerity and pride towards their school's name being recognized and held as a treasure by them, and controlling the collection of dirt heaps that fill the areas.
The Bank of Ceylon provided this waste management project to our school in 2019. Under this project, the children have the opportunity to produce organic fertilizer using the leaf litter found in the 14 acres land of our school.
The BOC, with its highest platform ever presented to the nationwide and glorious light that stunningly dazzles upon our isle even today, especially focusing on the created project, one that through schools commenced many years ago, producing organic fertilizer methods, which once were rejected on these solution of plans, yet with furthered and foreseen futuristic proposals declared, now an escalated capacity, and much of which many in society praise the heights of this very special requirement that has reached a climax that hasn't to be overestimated or necessary to mention in word about as well to the public eye.
Bank of Ceylon is an excellent bank that supports the educational and extracurricular activities of Sri Lankan children. It is commendable that children are encouraged to engage in these activities at an early age through this waste management project.
All schools in their premises within these school gardens, which grew green or other plantation, utilized these very necessary organic fertilizers, which were also produced each and every time by these students themselves, and with much care and great pride did so to nurture the growth of these plants, which grew in surplus production to an entire nation and became such an appraisal and the leading example to many in the country. On one hand, the crisis of waste piles, whilst being sorted, made another solution through school methods of producing these organic fertilization, and will not repeat another history, and will also be a profitable resolution, for which even now is a visible sight if visited, to watch these children's future made wiser, stronger, and these very little ones responsible-minded, a highly marked and remarkable aspect, which the Bank of Ceylon takes immense pride to be a part of this momentous and glorious growth, and in becoming that futuristic heritage.